I got the box right here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a super exciting unboxing and tutorial to share with you today. Today's video is sponsored by Influenster, and let me tell you why. Influenster curated an amazing beauty awards box full of fan favorites of the most reviewed and top rated products and brands. And I'm going to unbox this box for you guys today in today's video and show you how I use most of the products from the box to create this look right here, which is perfect for the holidays. This box is valued at nearly over $300. When I opened it, you guys, I was like, seriously, it is full of some awesome products. Some that maybe you haven't tried before, some that you have and that are your absolute favorites. I am extremely impressed, and no, I'm not just saying that because they're sponsoring me. I truly mean that. It was actually my idea to create an unboxing video for you guys so that you can really get to know all the products in this box. You can buy it for yourself if you know you're feeling a little greedy this year, or you can buy it as a gift for someone else. It's full of amazing beauty products from hair, skincare, and makeup. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. Let me show you how I got this look, and let's unbox this box. Right before we jump in, just a little info. Yes, this box is worth nearly $300, but it is only 50 bucks. Okay? 50 bucks. Can you believe that? After I go through this whole box with you guys are gonna be like, what? You can also earn cash back, 10% cash back with Influenster's new cashback program, which I'm going to have all the links and the info down below. So basically this box is going to be even less than $50, like 45 if I did my math right? 10%? 10% of 50 is fine. Now, let's get into this video. Here it is, I got the box right here. So I'm gonna show you guys what came in my box right here. Are you ready? So the first product that we have in the box is the Garnier Olia hair color. You guys, I do not dye my hair, but these almost made me dye my hair because they're stunning. Like, look at these colors. You got rose quartz and royal amethyst. Actually really pretty. I don't know if I have the balls for this, but very pretty. We have the Love Beauty and Planet Blooming Color Shampoo. I have used the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner before, and I really enjoy it. The next product that we have in this box is the Apple Cider Vinegar Scalp Scrub with Pink Himalayan Sea Salt. So this guy right here helps exfoliate and cleanse the scalp. I've used some of their products before and I really enjoy them. It's just made kind of like my scalp feel more like not so weighed down and heavy from all of the products that I've been using, and it's really helped my hair look a ton healthier as well. So I like him. And then I almost forgot to show this, you guys. There's also a one-time mask, 1 minute hair mask, Color Vibrancy Treat and Goji Extract mask from Garnier in here as well. Then we have two more hair products here. We have a mini Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo and the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. We have the Jergens Natural Glow Daily Moisturizer. We have the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub Coconut Lime Scrub. When I tell you guys, this smells so good. Oh, it smells so damn good. Then we have the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Vanilla Quartz. I couldn't read it. This is a mini of the Becca highlighters, and to be quite honest with you, first of all, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life, but I feel like this is the perfect size For a highlighter, I have never run out of or hit pan on any of my Becca highlighters. So I think this size is really, really perfect and awesome. Especially because I think this mini alone on its own is about 15 bucks. So, okay guys, now we're gonna move on to the other products, part of this box that I used in this tutorial. We have the Alba Botanica Hawaiian Detox Warming Mud Mask. I had a clean face and yeah, I put on my brows and totally forgot that I was gonna be doing some skincare with you guys. But I just rubbed this in with my fingers to warm it up and it really opened up my pores a lot. This, you guys, is freaking amazing that it's even in this box. This is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. If you guys watched my textured skin video, it's a couple weeks back, this was my lifesaver. Literally my lifesaver when it came to just renewing and fixing my skin. The next product we have is the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream, this little mini right here. Honestly, in the entire box, there are very few minis, and that's also something that really impressed me. This is probably the smallest mini in the entire box, and you really don't even need too much of this. Just a little dab under each of your eyes, and it almost immediately brightens. Then we have the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I've only heard amazing things about this. This was the first time that I was trying it out and using it, and it really felt super hydrating on my skin. Then we have the final skincare product that I used. This is the Kula Sport Classic Sunscreen. This is another full-size product, and a little bit of this goes a long way. And don't forget your sunscreen, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Don't forget it. We don't want wrinkles. Now we're moving on to the eyes. I used the CoverGirl Chocolate Scented Chocoholic palette, and this palette comes in the box. Then we have the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Lightning Bug, and I just placed this right on the lid of my eye. If I were to have used a wet brush or some setting spray, this would be even more glittery and pigmented, but honestly, it looks so amazing on its own. I was really impressed by this. I've used a ton of ColourPop's shadows, and the shimmery ones of the Super Shock shadows are the best. To finish off my eyes, I used the Unique Moodstruck Epic Mascara. Moving on to complexion and face, there is a Real Techniques sponge in here. I love these Real Techniques sponges. First of all, they are super inexpensive, but they're also in this box full of a ton of stuff, and they are awesome. And don't mind my dirty one here. It's because I used it on my face. Then we have a mini Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is perfect for travel, and the Laura Mercier powder is bomb. I think we all know that. And I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. You guys, I own almost all of these highlighters. They're absolutely amazing, super soft, and honestly, you would never know that this is a drugstore highlighter because of just how smooth and soft this goes on, and the glow is absolutely amazing. To lock everything in, we have the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. I use this on my clients for weddings to keep them matte. I mean, my face still looks like the perfect amount of glow from that amazing Wet n Wild highlighter, but also matte and not oily, not cakey or anything like that. So I love this NYX setting spray, and it's in the box too. And of course, we can't forget our lips. There is a Lolita, Kat Von D Lolita liquid lipstick in this box. We all love Lolita. It is the classic, perfect, like just dusty rose color. Now moving on to our hair, the final part of this tutorial using the products from the box. I have the Batiste Dry Shampoo Vibrant and Fruity Neon. This dry shampoo, first of all, smells so good and really gave my hair tons and tons of volume, and the white residue that it leaves on your hair, and then once you like rub it all out, it really rubbed out so easily. I know that sometimes I'm like rubbing my hair and I feel like my hair is gray because I do have darker hair, but this one came out perfectly and left my hair super voluminous. It's full size. I mean, look at this baby. It's full size. And last but not least, we have Orbi Dry Texturizing Spray. Just a little mini bottle, perfect for travel. This, you guys, is awesome. It gave my hair tons of texture. I feel like if you're looking for that like va-va, you know, that va-va-voom in your hair, the dry texturizing spray from Orbi really can kind of get you there. All right, guys, so here is this box right here. Oh my God. There are tons and tons of products in it. Honestly, I don't even know if this is actually worth $300. I think it's more than that. By the looks of it, it comes with a ton of different products, and I think this is the perfect gift for either, I mean, yourself or someone else. Genuinely, I opened this box and was like, are you kidding? The fact that you could get all of this right here for $45 with the 10% cash back is just absolutely amazing. Seriously. So that's everything that was in the Beauty Awards box from Influenster. I hope that you guys will pick it up and love it just as much as I do. If you pick up this box right here, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Tell me what your favorite product is, or if you're just watching this, tell me what your favorite product is. Thank you so much to Influenster for, again, sponsoring this video. I hope that you guys will give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen, and check out all of my other videos right here on the side. Love you guys. I will see you soon. Yeah, I'll see you soon.